Lucknow, and we've got Tanushka as well. Ranveer, Lucknow is important because that's where Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is from. We believe he's going to be speaking to some students at his old school as well. But can you give us a sense of the enthusiasm, the excitement that you see around you with just 2 hours and 45 minutes left for this historic mission to blast off?
Obviously, the excitement is very high. Shubhanshu, who hails from Lucknow, is an alumni of City Montessori School, and we can see a huge excitement in his school, City Montessori. I'll show you this hall, a huge hall where a big screen has been installed by the school management, and in presence of Shubhanshu Shukla's family, the school teachers, administration, and along with some students, this hall will witness the historic launch of Axiom 4 mission. I am joining with the dean of this City Montessori School. Ma'am, I just want to know that what are the preparations, how's the excitement level being the faculty of this City Montessori School where Shubhanshu studied a few years back. So how's the excitement?
The excitement is very, very, very high. We've been preparing for this event for almost 2.5 months now. Our children have been, there were several activities as a precursor to this big launch. Our children have written poems, drawn a lot of artwork.
I'm seeing some of the paintings. Are these made by the students of the school?
Absolutely. These are all made by the students of the school. And we had an entire festival called Vyomotsav. Even the name was coined by a student. We had an interesting activity for the students to coin the name, and the name Vyomotsav was given by a student of Rajen Nagar campus. And in Vyomotsav, we had a lot of activities. Children enjoyed a lot, and there were a lot of takeaways also.
I'm also seeing some demo of Falcon 9 rockets and other things. So can you brief all these preparations?
Yeah. So this is a... Hello. This is a rocket, and these are all mock-ups. And the most interesting thing for us would be the cupola. Sorry, the cupola is here, and that's a defy gravity room that we have created for our students. When you go in space, there is this the notion of defying gravity. So it's an exciting mock-up of a defy gravity room. Where children can take some photographs, and then it feels as though you have defied gravity. I can show you some poses which are here. If you could look here,
these are the pictures of the students.
These are the pictures. They could enjoy it like this, and this is how a defy gravity photograph would look like.
I also want to know this Mission Control Center, a demo of the Mission Control Center. So this is for the students to understand how the Mission Control Center works.
Absolutely. So this is a mock-up of a Mission Control Center. We have computers here, and each of the computers, on each of the computers, we have a particular website, which takes you. I'd like one of the students to. Can you sort of?
So he is a scientist and she is a technologist.
Yeah. So again, one needs to understand that it's not only pilots who go to space. They're not scientists. You have to have an artist in space.
Huge faces behind the mission.
Yes, you have to have a doctor also for space. So we are connecting with this entire thing with the launch of STEAM education also. STEAM meaning science, technology, engineering, art and technology. Yeah.
Let's go outside the hall where some of the students are carrying some demos of their project work.
Yeah. So again, during this Vyomotsav, we had children make robots. We had children make Mars rovers. So you can see some of their models here. So these are some of the models that children have made during the festival. Would you like to explain your model?
I'll also ask you that how's the excitement level? Are you excited for today's launch?
Yes, sir, very much. Yes.
Shubhanshu Shukla.
Shubhanshu Shukla is he is our inspiration. He is the captain of.
In a video message, Shubhanshu said that if his visit will inspire a single student, he'll consider his visit as a success. Are you inspired?
Of course, sir, because being a CMS alumni, he's from our school. We feel a lot of proud, and we feel very excited that he's going to the space, and it's a dream for many children.
So you can see the excitement level and the preparations going on in City Montessori School in Lucknow.